philosopher once wrote,
naughty, naughty, very naughty.
Sweet face and he goes by the name of Ebeneezer, good. His friends call him Eezer and he is the main geezer, and he vibe up the place like no other man could. He's refined, he's sublime, he makes you feel fine. They're very much maligned and misunderstood, but if you know Eezer, he's a real crowd pleaser. He's ever so good, he's Ebeneezer good. You see that he's mischievous, mysterious and devious when he circulates amongst the people in the place. Once you know he's fun and something of a genius, he gives a grin that goes around face to face to face, backwards and then forwards, forwards and then backwards. Eezer is a geezer, he loves to muscle in. That's about the time the crowd will shout the name of Eezer as he's conjured in the corner laughing by the bass bin.
Eezer good, Eezer good. He's Ebeneezer good, Eezer good, Eezer good. He's Ebeneezer good, Eezer good, Eezer good. He's Ebeneezer good, Eezer good, Eezer good. He's Ebeneezer good. He's Ebeneezer good.
Has anyone here got any virus? Lovely. Ebeneezer good leading light of the scene, know what I mean? He created the vibe, he takes you for a ride, and this is by design. The party ignites like it's coming alive. He takes you to the top, shakes you all around and back down. You know as he gets mellow, then it's smooth as a groove that is making you move. He glides into your mind with a sunny hello. A gentleman of leisure, he's there for your pleasure, but go easy on old Eezer, he's a love you can lose. Extraordinary fella like Mr. Punchinella. He's the kind of geezer who must never be abused. When you're in town and Ebeneezer is around, you can sense the presence in the sound of the crowd. He gets them all out. The party starts rocking, the people get excited, it's time to shout loud.
Eezer good, Eezer good. He's Ebeneezer good, Eezer good, Eezer good. He's Ebeneezer good, Eezer good, Eezer good. He's Ebeneezer good, Eezer good, Eezer good. He's Ebeneezer good. He's Ebeneezer good. He's Ebeneezer good, Eezer good, Eezer good. Eezer good, Eezer good. He's Ebeneezer good.
Got any salmon? Sorted.